Hi, this is Aswin, and today I'm going to present my project 2 of cloud integration. This is my audio user ID, and I've been assigned this IP for the project. So basically, this project is about secure access to Azure Files over Point-to-Site VPN, where I'm going to do backup and restore of these files through recovery service vault. So here I have two different resource group with my name prefix on. So the first one is hosting the VPN gateway and all the other resources, whereas the second one is basically hosting the virtual machine and all the necessary resources. Uh, so I've also configured these two different virtual networks. The first virtual network has two different subnets with the address as per my assigned IP, and the gateway subnet is default name for the subnet in order to utilize the VPN gateway. Also, the second one has a different subnet with a different IP range according to my assigned IP range. So first, let's go to this first one, gateways. So basically, this is certificate based authentication, which is used for the proper encryption for security. So I've configured this point to site configuration. So I have this address pool, uh, and I've used SSL certificate type with the Azure certificate, and I have my custom root certificate with the public certificate data, which I generated via my own file. So these are the certificates I generated from here. And yeah, let's hide this. Let's go to, so yeah, these are the certificates that act as authentication license for both VPN access. And yeah, so moving on, if let's see the storage files. So I have this storage file in LRS because the GRS and other zones, the replication methods are not applicable for the backups. It doesn't support the GRS and GZRS application, so I use the LRS. And also, if we go to the files, yes, we can see here this is the files. So I have two different folders, and in the important folder I have this file which I'll be working on. And if we go back to the gateways, or maybe in the vault, so this is the vault I created for this project. I already did some backup before because it took some time, so I did like a backup for this files here already. It's completed like multiple times, so it's gonna give me the latest backup file. Now if I go to backup items, I want to show you the policy that I've created for this. So here we can see daily backup policy with retention ensures data protection and recovery compliance. So it's a weekly backup for 3 weeks, and it's gonna take on like last Friday at up till 10 months. So this is the backup policy that I've used for the project. And in order to show you the end-to-end secure connection, I need to show you how I connected how the VPN is connected to the VM. So this is the remote VM that I've used, and we can see here that it is connected to the VNet. And now we can see after it's connected, I also mounted a different file inside this. So we can see this file here. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete one of the files here, and try to restore the files from the backup. Here we can see from the backup we have already done some backups before. So see, it took me like 40, 54, I mean, a lot of minutes, for the backup. So it's gonna basically use this backup. I'm gonna use this one. So let me delete the file here from new. So I'm deleting this new here. So when I delete this, it's not here. So if you want to double check, let's go there and let's see. There's no file inside this one. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the vault, and we're gonna go to the backup items, and if we wanted to restore the file, so it's gonna show me which point I want to restore. So maybe I want to restore the latest one. It's like this one, and I want it on the same location. So if I restore this, it's going to take some time triggering the restore for the file. So basically I learned certificate based VPN setup, like, and also I learned about the secret access to Azure Files, and the main thing is I learned how to create a policy and how to backup and restore all these files via services vault. And the most difficult task for me was, so first one was I was uploading a larger file, so it was taking too much time for the backup. So I learned I shouldn't upload for the demo purposes. The large files mostly takes more time for the backup. And the second one is I had some problem uh, deploying the storage account in the, not in the LRS, but in the other regions, other replications. So after deploying the storage account in the LRS, I was able to fix the issue. So now it says the triggering is restored, and if we check, so it says restore is done. So if we check in the same thing, let's check. So it says recovered important files, and important files. Okay, so these are the files. Since I recovered the file in the same location, so these are the two files. Like the backup snapshot was of the two files. So I tested one file and I restored it again. So now again I delete the new file. It goes back to the same snapshot and it gave me the same backup. So if I delete it again, it's going to show the same thing. So basically, yeah, these are the things I learned, and these are the issues I faced about the project, and that's all. Thank you so much.